Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? We have got a new hiring opportunity for freshers from Orbit Wallet. The role are MERN full stack intern, backend developer intern and React Native intern. Let's move to the hiring. Before that, like the video, smash the subscribe. This is the Orbit Wallet main website. One card, one tap, travel anywhere. This is the business model of Orbit Wallet, and here is the LinkedIn of the Orbit Wallet, founded in 2023, located in Bangalore, Karnataka. And let's move to the hirings. First, we have for backend developer role intern. Let's talk about the eligibility criteria. For this opportunity, all graduates and masters are welcome to apply, but you have a technical background and all graduates are welcome to apply. Here are the skills for this role. You must good in JavaScript, DSA, RESTful APIs, MongoDB and Node.js. Let's talk about the selection process. First, you have qualify assessment round, then technical round, then HR screening round. Let's move to the another job. Next role is React Native intern, and here are the eligibility criteria. Same as the last one we talked in backend developer role, but this is for only 2023, 24 to 25 graduate. Let's talk about the skills. You have got JavaScript, DSA, React.js and React Native, and here is the selection process. Same as the last we talked. You have to qualify assessment round, then technical interview, then HR screening. Let's move to the another role. Another is MERN full stack intern. And here are the eligibility criteria. Eligibility is same as last we discussed in the React Native intern role. And here are the skill sets. You must go in JavaScript, DSA, RESTful API, MongoDB, React.js and Next.js. And same selection process as we discussed. Are you interested in these roles? Just comment it down and you get the link in the description box. Just go and apply. By the way, did you subscribe the Coding Wallah? Bye bye. Best of luck for your assessment round.